So hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel called Almar's Food Vlog. So for today's episode, we're gonna show you how to make Vietnamese summer roll with special homemade sauce. So tara sa kusina, samahan niyo ako.
What you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talk.
So here's our ingredients. We have this rice paper, our crab sticks, our freshly lettuce. We have this vermicelli noodles, some carrots, shredded leeks, and for our sauce, we have soy sauce, lime, crushed garlic, white sugar, our crushed peanuts, unsweetened peanut butter. We have chopped chilies, some grated ginger, and water. So this is how we make our Vietnamese summer roll. First thing, we have to dip our rice paper into the water until it gets soft. So for our second step, just put our fresh lettuce together with other ingredients such as carrots, leeks, our crab sticks, and the vermicelli noodles. For our last steps, after putting all our ingredients, just wrap it up over into the rice paper. And for our dipping sauce, just mix it all together, the sugar, our chili, our crushed peanuts, ginger, peanut butter, soy sauce, lime, and water, then mix it up until it thickens. After mixing all our sauce ingredients into a bowl, let it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes until we get our desired thickness of the sauce. Now presenting our Vietnamese summer roll with special homemade peanut sauce.